What's up, y'all? Sorry about the position. Another cook with me video, I guess. Short. So I'm cooking some motherfucking prime steak. No, it's not gonna be a skit. Some prime steak, fried green beans, mashed potatoes. I don't know. I'm feeling some corn. Let me see if I got any. You know what? I forgot. We're not cooking this. I forgot I even had this. I'm cooking this. So this, green beans, and I don't think I got any more corn. Let me check again. All right, I'm fresh out of corn, so steak, this, green beans. I need to go grocery shopping because I'm running low on stuff. I guess I'm still in the mindset of buying more than what I need. So I started buying less. So it's just me. So and for dessert, leftover cake y'all got from Aldi's. I love this shit. Me and grandma be fucking this shit up. This shit be good. Y'all see this in Aldi's? Grab it. I mean, this shit is fucking good. And I matched that up with chocolate chip cookie dough from Aldi's. This shit is good too. So that cake and this chocolate chip cookie dough, you get that from Aldi's, man. Good. All right, finna season this. Get some of this stuff out the way. I love this little makeshift table. As y'all know, I kind of somewhat, well, it was actually my neighbor's desk that he made for his wife. And turns out, I end up with it. So it was a computer desk or whatever he made. So what I did was they gave it to me, and I just put these things up here in the light and turned it to like a little night table or whatever table. There's a video on there that I did. I mean, it pretty much discussed on what I just did on here. You know what? And I'm out of drinks, so I don't remember where I got this from. It's supposed to be like Kool-Aid, but it's good. Oh, all these are Save-A-Lot, I don't know. But this shit is good. So we're making that. Season this with some steak seasoning. I'm sorry about the damn light. Actually, let me cut the light on. So, yeah, steak seasoning. Thumbnail. Kind of rub it in. So I'm just gonna bake these in the oven. Big ass steak. Damn, this damn oven still smell like brownies. I made brownies the other day. Man, this whole basement smell like it. Yeah, I know I need to clean this table off, which I will today. First of all, I'll get my coffee ready for tomorrow before I forget. Yeah, I know. I use a ice cream spoon, but hey, it get the job done. It works. See, you just scoop it out, then you get a precise amount. Ice cream spoon. Yeah, I know I could use other spoons, but that shit worked the best, so I'm sticking with that. All my stuff up there. Cook this in a minute. These are real simple. You just pretty much use a pan like this. So I know this came with season. Stir it up. And these pans you can get from Dollar Tree, so damn fucking Dollar Tree have every fucking thing. They cheap, $1 or $1.25 now because they done went up on everything. So whatever. Still cheap. Still cheaper than going to Walmart getting it, so whatever. Just trying to stir all that stuff that was in it up so it cook right and flake up. Wash this back out. I like mine's buttery, so don't judge me. Now, it is, what time is it? 4 o'clock, so I'm kind of cooking this early because this take a minute on this electric stove to cook. I'm not really too much hungry, so this could be sitting while I'm doing this. By the time it's done, I will be hungry, so yeah. So, remember what I said before in my other video, can you air fry green beans? And it turned out good. So, I'm going to be doing that again today. Air frying these. Now, I could have air fried those steaks, but I don't know. I just felt like baking them. Plus, it would have took a little longer because I would have had to cut it up, and I don't have a big air fryer, so that steak wouldn't have fit in there unless I cut it up. And then I would have had to wait till that get done and put the green beans in there. So I just threw it in the oven, and by the time that's halfway done, just about done, I'll put the green beans on because shit in them air fryers don't take long to cook. Once you slap them in there, 5 minutes is done. I feel like and it's kind of like you fried the motherfucker. So I'm just gonna wait for that to be done. And oh, damn, that light is blue as fuck. Let me change that. Oh, and I gotta set like a. It's like a. It's that's a wise bulb, man. It's kind of like set to a mood. So when I'm playing when I'm playing Alexa, just listening. But when I'm playing some music, that went off. When I'm playing music or something, like I gotta set to like it will go to the mood of the song or something. It's crazy. So I was listening to something and it turned blue like that recently. You change it, different colors and stuff. Blue, red, and white. Crank it all the way up. Crank it all the way up blue. Get that gamer's vibe. Like pissed off vibe. It's got like a sunshine vibe. And it can do this too. It's kind of weird. You can set it to well, come on at a specific time and it'll replicate the sunlight or something like that. Like that. Let's see. Okay. This is energy. This is gaming. Movie. Meditation. I I don't think that's a good meditation. That seemed more of a sunlight setting. If anything, meditation would probably be more like this one. Or maybe blue. I don't know. Yeah, so anyway, I am going to just wait for that to get done. And probably dessert. I don't know. Something different. I ain't did in a while. Okay, the steak is done. Juicy. Look at the juiciness coming off of that. That's done. Wait for the potatoes to get done. And I'll throw the green beans in there. Really. Okay, anyway. Alright, so this is done. That's done. And I'm gonna throw the green beans in and season them. Spread them out. Damn, I forgot to cut this off. Well, I need to just turn this up to probably about 6 minutes. Yeah, 6 minutes. No, I still can't figure out this damn toaster thing. I got to cook toast and other shit in, but it's either it burns it or I don't know, just don't cook it right. Everybody that have this damn thing that I know always having problems with it cooking just right. I mean, it was from Walmart. I think it was like $20 or $30 or some shit like that. I only used it one time. Alright, so that's done, and I'm gonna wrap this up and pretty much call this a video. Oh, no, I'm gonna show you when I make the snacks too. I mean, the dessert after I eat all this. Well, not all of it. I can't eat all this shit, but after I eat this and then you'll see the dessert. That's it. Looking all fucking sexy and shit. Yeah. I think I could have cooked these a little longer, but like I said, fucking electric stove. But yeah, that's whatever. It tastes alright. Damn, yeah, they actually. I guess I'm used to them being more fried looking. Okay, they done. It just a different texture, I guess. All right, so this is I'm ending it up with cake and ice cream. That's my dessert. All right, so if you like that, let me know what you guys think, and see you to the next one. Peace.